What's up, YouTube? A Lion Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. This afternoon, we want to bring you another new addition to our front lawn garden area here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. We actually picked this girl up about a week and a half ago, maybe 2 weeks now, when we've been so busy with our spring maintenance and other things here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel that we haven't been able to update you guys on everything exactly that we've done over the past couple of weeks. So we're going to give you a quick peek at what we thought was a hell of a deal that we got at our local Lowe's here in Tipton, Georgia on Highway 82 East. We simply couldn't pass it up. I saw it and I just had to have it. So check this out, YouTube. I love blueberries, YouTube. I've always wanted a blueberry bush, and I was at the local Lowe's Garden Center on 82 East here maybe a week and a half ago, and I saw this blueberry bush there in the garden center, and it was just calling my name. I tell you, it was just calling my name. I don't even know how this plant knew my name, but this plant was calling my name. And YouTube, check this out. It already has blueberries on it. Truly was not expecting to actually purchase a blueberry bush and actually have fruit on it the first year. So this is quite a pleasant surprise for me, YouTube. And if you look closely here, YouTube, we got this guy for only $10.88. If that wasn't a steal, I don't know what was. And as you can see, it's looking quite lovely here in our front lawn garden area here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. And we're very pleased to have this new addition as a part of our lawn here, YouTube. So we'll bring you an update on this particular plant in another 30 days or so to show you how much growth it has made, and to bring you an update on the actual few fruit that are actually already on this plant. We really appreciate you guys subscribing to our channel, and thanks for watching, YouTube. If you like what you see in this video, press that subscribe button and press that like button for this video also, YouTube. We really would appreciate it. Thanks for watching.